4. 3, 2, 1. Day 22 is upon us. Oh my god, it's pseudo-random numbers. Okay. Just so it's we're making a pseudo-random number generator within then each of the each buyer's secret number evolves into the next secret number. I'll just call it C. I don't think it's the right number, but calculate by multiplying. Okay, so there's mixing and then prune. Okay, so mixing and pruning are just XOR and modulo. Thing is, this seems quite simple to do. Like now. So I'm scared of what can happen. Given to mix a value into the secret number. So it looks like we're just doing a bunch of bitwise operations, it looks like. C is equal to C times 64 XOR by the seed. And then prune it, which is that number. Honestly, I'll do it by doing it like this. I think those are the right. I can confirm that. 2 to the 6. That I don't know when JavaScript got the Python exponential operator, but it's been super helpful. Yeah. Okay. And just to confirm, console.log random number of 1, 2, 3. Nah. What? Did I not do that right? Bitwise XOR, yes. So multiply the secret number. The thing is, that is right. Calculate the result of multiplying the secret number by 64, which is bit shift 6, then mix this into the secret number, and then prune it. Which what I did. Multiply. Oh, dividing. That's why. Okay, yeah, that's why. So, const seed they all on the new line? Yeah. Oh my. Okay, we're generating a lot of numbers here. I'm assuming we're gonna find a looper or something, and then. In fact, I don't even need to do that. I could just do some num. Okay. So let's do 2000 at this place. So you got it. Do that. Oh goodness, it's a negative number. These are gonna have to be big ints, aren't they? Yeah. Cool. There's definitely gonna. Okay, part 1 I think is done. Yes. There are many sequences of the 4. Oh my goodness. Part 2. Part 2, we are now essentially we're using the random numbers to determine the stock market of bananas. So each buyer is going to generate 2,000 secret numbers. Okay. Cool. Or you can give them. Or she can only give the monkey a single sequence of 4 price changes to look for. You're going to need as many bananas as possible. Determine which sequence will cause you to get the most bananas. There are many sequences of the 4 price changes. For a buyer with an initial secret number of 1 changes. Okay, so we got it now. So I guess we got to generate the list of changes for each number. The problem is there's so many. Okay. Yeah, actually, it isn't too slow. Like mine finished relatively quickly. No. Yeah, I didn't cache. I'll do that. So are we keeping? You'll have. I'm going to do something like that. this is also going to be a map. Number array. Good news is I could just turn this into a number, and then it should be all the changes. It's a lot of changes, but it should be all the changes. Yeah, 2000. So then we have so let me use this. -2, -2. -2, 1, -1, 3. Hmm. Am I also supposed to? I'm also supposed to keep. Here's a lot. Okay, so B. Yeah, it's very weird. I don't know the exact phrasing. If I just do something like this. Change prices dot push. I could tell how he was inspired by this one, though. Wait, prices is not assignable to number. Wait, what? Just input, and then we map it, and then oh, because okay, that's why. I just need to figure out if I can calculate the same thing as them. What was it? 2, 1, negative 1, 3? How do I even find that? Negative 2, 1, negative 1, 3. Change this to 1. See sequence. Let's say, what's 19 to the 4? It may be possible to brute force. I just need to. I'm just trying to see how I could even look for that. Like, how do I even find the answer given the sequence? If sequence of I, not I. This is going to be J. Actually, no, that's going to be I. That's going to be index equal. Oh, wait. Okay. And then six. Is it a -1 or is it a plus? Or is it? Index -10 index. Actually, I'll do 5 and 5 or 6 so I can have a. So this 6 right here was what it found, and this 7 matches. I'm going to try 1, and if it's the same thing, I'm also going to change this to 5 so I can just have to look at the last number. Okay, so that's also true. Whoa, those are eerily. Oh wait, because it's the same. And then apparently 2 doesn't have an index, so this should be -1. Or it just doesn't. Okay, well, it doesn't help that I don't know the index. 286. Oh, well. Pff. Yeah. And then 3. Okay, 450. And then if I do this, it should be that last one. Oh, is it? It's the one before it. Wait, let me try. Oh, wait, also, because never mind. Okay, it is the last one. Okay, so it's this is index plus 4. Price sequence length just to be cool. Okay, so we have a way. Info reduce some prices okay. So then it's gonna look something like this. If index is not equal to -1. Sum plus equals. Like I say, I don't need any specific. I just need to remove these. This is probably, now I think about it, this is probably some data structure. This should return 23, which it does. So the only issue, so now I found a way to essentially calculate this. The only issue now is I need to find the best sequence, which because it can go, it's because it's the one after. What if I just do 0, 0, 0, 9? It probably won't be, but yeah, 0. Oh well, this is my input. Throw my input in there. And this is also a nice test to see how long that takes. So 225. So I have a way, and it only took about a little under a second. I'm going to profile this just to see how fast that takes. So yeah, it takes half a second. So if I were to do 19 to the 4 divided by 2, it would take that many seconds, which is that many minutes, which is... apparently my brute force would take about 18 hours to finish. I guess, yes. So obviously there's a better way of finding... Let me just find specific subsequence in array. There's definitely a faster way. Set a Stack Overflow. template matching. Nah. This uses NumPy, which find out possible no. This seems like a leak code problem to find the fastest way to find a specific subsequence. One assumption I can make is that if the last is 9, that won't be true because we don't know that. I have an idea. So const bananas sequence. So this allows us to find any bananas for this specific sequence. The thing is, it's not a huge search space. It's only 131,000, but because of how long it takes to find it, that is why it's very slow. But sequence is equal to array for where we fill it here and we map each of those to how do I generate a random number between -1 and 9? So this one. I think that's all we need. Let me just see how long this takes to fill up these keys. So it's a key. So this should, I don't care about profiling anymore. Yes, it does generate random numbers. So, result of key. I Honestly, I don't even need to generate the key. I just need to const bananas is equal to find the bananas results sequence if bananas is greater than the current max console.log. Okay, so I'll just let this run for a little bit while I look for better ways. There could be a way to do it like from the array, like the original array itself, because we have both arrays, both the prices and the changes. The problem is there's only 131,000. Even letting it run for a while, I only have about a 5% chance that it runs. Like if I run it for about an hour, there's only a 5% chance that my answer actually comes in that hour. Let me see if I'm going to see if ChatGPT has ever heard this puzzle before. Is there a fast way to find a specific subsequence in a list? Okay, yeah, you have the 2 pointers, but what about subsequence length of 4? Two pointers approach. Okay, so O of n minus n plus 1 times m. See, that's obviously, I just need to find. One idea that I have, I'm going to let this run in the background. See how, if it found the answer, is to generate or to go through each change and to go through each list and put the change in there. That is an idea. because then it would run in constant time. It would run in, it'd still be a couple million operations, but that's much faster than the brute force method. Let ranges is equal to, which is a number array. Which means that I don't really need to map it. CBOC. So then this needs this needs to be a for each, and this will generate. Yes, and I can do it efficiently by only keeping track of 4 changes at a time. Let's say we don't need to worry about the list of prices. We just need to worry about. Actually, we don't. We've already got the seed. I'm only going to do 5 numbers, and I'm also going to do it based off something I already know. So that would be the 1, 2, 3. If I can find it, there it is. Console dot. If changes dot length is equal to 4, ranges of changes that's it. It's kind of stupid, is equal to next seed. This is where I'm going to do this. Or if this is equal to undefined, then we set it equal to a new array, and then we push this on there. And then we remove the first one. Console.log changes, and we confirm that to be working. Okay. It skips. It shouldn't skip. Why does it skip? I guess because this should actually start from num and not. Okay. 36. And then I'll do ranges as well. Which 6 -1 -1 0 4, which does look correct. So then what if so now I'm going to 2000, or I'm not going to console.log each time. Another thing I need to do. I'm gonna need let her const visited, why not? So that way we only do it once per number. So then we have I'm using it multiple times. If visited, if it doesn't have it. Goodness. So if it doesn't have it, then we just we add it, and then we and then boom. So we only add it if we haven't visited yet. And then afterward, actually no, this should be, yeah. That should be right. And that means every single one of these, every single one of these should have one. No, it doesn't. Because I forgot to add visited.add key. So it should be the same thing, except now there shouldn't be. Problem is I can't tell. I mean, honestly, I could just say object.keys or values. Ranges map to range math.max. Oh, you okay? Calm down. Okay, so that seems to be working. So then now if I add this, it should have, and then I console.log ranges of that should be 779. Oh my goodness. Object data values of ranges. And I think I just found the answer. Range dot reduce sum num plus. So then that should essentially sum up all the rays and return the max, which it does. So then what if I do it this way? Problem is, okay, well, now I don't know. Oh. Nice. Found the answer. That's cool.